Life in quarantine.
After 2 weeks of being in quarantine, I decided to make over my hair. I felt like I was about to start getting dreads, so I definitely had to comb this out and give myself a new look since I had time to kill. So I wanted to start off with something that wouldn't damage my hair, so I did a bleach wash. I did equal parts bleach powder, developer, shampoo, and conditioner. This process took me about 8 days to complete. I made sure to have enough days in between so that my hair can relax, recoup the natural oils, and not be as damaged. So I try to saturate my hair as much as possible, staying away from the roots and also my ends. My ends were already pretty light and I didn't want them to break off. And they say if you use too much bleach on your roots, you're going to get hot roots. So since I'm doing a slow process, I'm doing everything little by little. Yeah, guys, I don't know what happened to my hair. It went from like brown to red. The blonde is still blonde. Totally feeling like Khalees right now. Not intentional. So 4 days after that initial process, I decided to actually bleach my hair. I mixed equal parts bleach and developer, still using the 20 developer, and just try to saturate my hair as much as possible. Still staying away from the roots and most of the ends. Side note, doing this process slowly takes forever and is quite annoying. Yeah, so this is a little bit better. As you can see, the red lifted a little bit more. We're more orangey now, but we're on our way. Alright, so about 3 days after that process, I decided to bleach my hair once again. Equal parts bleach and developer, just to finish lightening it up. Again, saturating my hair as much as possible. This time I am doing my roots and my ends since this should be the last bleaching process. Hey guys, definitely got a little bit lighter, less reddish. Let's color correct. This is definitely the lighter blonde that I was looking for in order to create the rose gold look. I think with that little bit of yellow and the rose gold semi-permanent dye, it would give it a little bit more of that goldish tone, but still that rose, making it a little bit more believable, if that makes sense. I try to saturate all of my hair. I even left this dye in my hair way longer than I was supposed to, like hours, because I was scared it wasn't gonna take. I think I got it, y'all. I did have to add a little bit of red with some conditioner just to boost the color a bit, but I think I have that rose gold look. I might have to tone it a little bit to get it perfect, but here I am. Alright guys, so let me know what you think down in the comments. Yes, I know it needs some toning, but we're in quarantine and the supplies are limited, so I had to use what I have. Gold, I think I did a pretty okay job. I don't know that it matches per se with my necklace, but I tried. Anyway, this is my quarantine life. Make sure to like, comment, share. I'm going to be doing all kinds of extra quarantine randomness. Let's enjoy quarantine and each other. Bye.